This video will show you how you can use conditional formatting in Numbers to give feedback to your learners. To make this work, you will need to have a table in your Numbers document. This works best when there are multiple options or true or false options to answer the questions. Start by clicking on the cell where you want to give feedback. In the Formatting menu, click Cell. Once in this menu, we can select how we want to format the cell. We want to make it like a multiple choice, so we're going to click Pop-up Menu. Below Pop-up Menu, you will have a place where you can add options. Clicking the plus below the drop-down will let you add even more options. This drop-down menu will let you select how you want to start. If you start with a blank, none of the options will show. As you can see, this is what I selected. Now it's time to set the highlighting rules. To open that menu, click here. I already have a rule, but if I hadn't, I would click Add a Rule. This menu will let me select what type of rule I want to add. Choose a rule based on what is in your cell. Is it numbers, text, dates, durations, or are you leaving it blank? Next, decide what you want to highlight. Think about what you want to show up. I want mine to turn green if the right word is selected, so I'm going to click If the text contains. Type in when the rule will apply, and then select the fill. I want it to turn green. You can create multiple rules, such as if you wanted it to turn red if it does not contain the rule you're looking for. Keep in mind, this rule will also apply to a blank. So once I create that red, it will fill anything that is blank. I could add another rule about blanks, but instead I'm just going to delete this rule. You will need to repeat this process individually for each cell you want to have formatted. This will also work on a single cell table. You can see I've already formatted this single cell with the pop-up menu option with multiple choices. To make their selection, the learner will click in the cell, tap the drop-down menu, and make their selection. Unless they select the correct answer, the cell does not turn green. This gives them immediate feedback to assist in their learning. Want to explore other formatting options? Reach out to your DLC.